welcome to this Tiny Magic workshop. I'm really excited that you're joining me. This is a very important project to me. It's one very close to my heart. I make these talismans on a very regular basis, and I find them a wonderful opportunity to be more expressive in my fibre arts. This is a great project, and you shouldn't feel daunted by it if you've not sewn a great deal before. These little talismans can really take any form, and there's no such thing as a wrong process. We're trying to be more improvisational with our creativity and to allow our intuitive selves to guide us. The use of the Tiny Magic talismans can be a real variety of different things. You can create them for adornment, or you can use them in ritual practice. You can also give them as gifts. They can be embodiments of spells. So I think they have a wonderful potential, both spiritually, magically, and creatively, to really inspire people. Use what you have to hand. Don't feel like you have to go out and buy lots of materials, and in fact they are so small that you don't need lots of materials. There really is no end to the possibilities for Tiny Magic, and I hope that you will enjoy this workshop. Feel free to ask me questions. There is a contact form in the course, so that if you need to ask me anything, I am more than happy to respond.